Nurxiovo stand mixer 850W 6-speed tilt-head kitchen mixer with 7QT mixer with stainless steel bowl, dough hook whisk beater multifunction 3-in-1 standing mixers, meat blender and juice extractor black. 850W power motor, pure copper motor and sturdy ABS housing makes the process quickly and thoroughly. Built-in chip sensor temperature automatically shut down when overheating, safety and security.American standard plug, wire length about 1.05 meters easy baking release hands 3-in-1 stand mixer with meat grinder and juice extractor. Easy to use for making cakes, breads, cookies, pastry, muffins, waffle and easy to squeeze juice and easy to mince meat at the same time. Also with splash guard helps add ingredients without making a mess. 6+ pulse speed and blue light with handy 6-speed control access to multipurpose and a variety of recipes. Pulse can reach the highest speed in a second, used to beat egg whites. When plugged in, the speed control is backlight to remind you to unplug the machine when you're done with it. 7QT large capacity stainless steel bowl, food grade stainless steel heat insulation, bright surface, easy to scrub. 7QT large stainless bowl is enough to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. You can enjoy baking, follow your heart. Tilt head and anti-slip design. Tilt head dough mixer not only allows clear access to the bowl and attached beater but also easy to install and remove stainless bowl and 3 attachments. With strong suction feet to reduce noise.